Hello friends, I am Ketan Mehta teaching mathematics again. In the previous video we have seen how to find factors, multiples and how to do prime factorization. Now in this video we are going to see how we can find the greatest common factor. This is also known as GCF and HCF. HCF means it is our highest common factor, right? Now before that I would like to tell you something because many people ask me how many topics I am going to cover in my videos. So I want to say I will be covering all the topics in mathematics from grade 6 to university, and also I will cover the topics from physics. I will basically explain the basic fundamentals of mathematics and physics for whichever topic I am teaching, and then we will do some examples on those topics, so we will understand how to solve these examples using all these basic fundamentals. The boards I am covering is CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, that is Cambridge and Oxford, and also the state boards. I also cover different countries like India, Canada and USA, and I am teaching in these countries online also, and also offline. Okay, I hope now this is very clear to you. So basically I have started with the grade 6, and then I will slowly move to grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, 11, 12 and university. I know it is a long work and it is a very time consuming work, but I will see that I can finish all these videos as soon as possible. Okay, thanks. Let's start with the greatest common factor, which is known as GCF in short, or HCF, which is highest common factor. Now how we find this? We find this with prime factorization, which we have studied in the previous video. Prime factorization helps us in finding the greatest common factor. Now there are two important fundamentals in finding the factors, where we see that one is a factor of every number, and every number is a factor of itself also. This is very important fundamentals for finding the factor. Now let us find the factor GCF basically for 15, 25 and 30. So how we find that? Let me come from this side. So how we find that? So for 15 we have 15 we can divide by 3. So 3 and 5 will be the factor for 15. How we find the factor for 25? So we can divide by 5 and 5. So factors for 25 will be 5 times 5. And the factors for 30 will be 2 times 3 times 5. So 2 times 3 times 5. Now which one is the common factor in all of this? So 5 is the common factor. And so basically our GCF now becomes 5. Right? So the greatest common factor for 15, 25 and 30 is 5. Now let us come to 24, 36 and 42, the greatest common factor for 24, 36 and 42. So how we can find that? For 24, we get the factors 2, 2, 2 and 3. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. For 36, we get the factors 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And for 42, we get 2 times 3 times 7, so 2 times 3 times 7. Now which factors are common in this? So we have 2 common, we have 3 common. So we take 2 from here and we take 3 from here. So my greatest common factor for 24, 36 and 42 is 6. So this is basically how we find the greatest common factor for a given number. And I hope you must have understood this now. And if you like these videos, you can always subscribe my channel, because you will be seeing a lot of very interesting videos coming up in different grades with different topics and with the different basic fundamentals. So please click on the bell button to subscribe my channel, and we will see in the next video how to find the least common multiple, that is LCM. So for now, this is greatest common factor which we studied. Okay, thanks, bye, have a nice day, bye bye.